Good morning, everyone. Today, I thought I would present you modern books, which brings out to you spirituality in simple terms and in modern words. One of the famous author who has done this is Richard Bach. Richard Bach is supposed to be a great grandson of the musician Bach, and how the first book, Jonathan Livingston Seagull, how it was written is, it seems one day evening he was going for an evening walk. Suddenly, he felt a compulsion to go back and write this book. He was writing, and then about after half an hour, no idea came to his mind. So he had to stop writing. Exactly after 1 year, identically when he was going for an evening walk, again he felt the compulsion to write. So he went back to his room, and exactly from where he stopped last time, the book continued to its finish. You can imagine the book is a small, short book, but it profoundly gives you the concept of God. And it is a very lively book. Some people will say I do not understand, but with the background which I have already given you, it should be clear to you. It is an allegorically written book where the bird is trying to finally find perfection. And through the medium of this bird wanting to fly very perfectly, the idea of attaining the self-realization also is brought out. Because the perfect flying the bird brings out by bringing out its own potential. So I'll introduce the book to you. This is Jonathan Livingston Seagull, a small book you can see. And inside, of course, it has got a lot of photographs of birds flying. So that's why the book it's already it is thick because of this reason only. I mean, otherwise it should be small. In fact, if you type, normally it comes out to 10 pages. Very lively book, but though short, very precise in its statements, and it also explains the struggle a person has to undergo to finally attain the spiritual goal of self-realization. This book I normally call as the aim or the goal. So it tells you what is it you have to attain. The second book of Richard Bach is this book called Illusions. Illusions basically I call as the path. So through real life examples, it says what has to be done, what is not to be done, and that is what this book Illusions is all about. And it is up to you to read it, so I don't have to now open the pages and read a few of them, but it's very interestingly written book. Third book is this one, Bridge Across Forever. Bridge Across Forever. Yeah, Bridge Across Forever. And this is a path for a couple. He and his girlfriend, later wife, goes through their spiritual discipline to finally attain. So Bridge Across Forever is a path for a couple. So it gives real life examples where they have to accept, they have to understand, they have to. In fact, because of that fact, it also becomes a good book for married people to live a more fruitful life also. And the last of these books is The Final Attainment, where Richard Bach and Leslie is his wife's name, finally becomes one. That one they have named in this book as Pi. So Pi is the final attainment of these two merging into each other. So that book is called Richard Bach, the one. Interestingly, the famous line at the end is, I gave my life to become this person I am right now. Was it worth it? This is the question every person seems to ask when he is about to die. When you are about to die, the question takes much more seriousness than you may feel at the present moment. So they are the 4 books of Richard Bach. I hope you will have a nice time reading it. But please do read it in the same order. That is, Jonathan Livingston Seagull first, Illusions next, Bridge Across Forever third, and this book one as the last one. So if you can read like that, I'm sure you'll enjoy these books, and you'll also in the process gain some deeper understanding of spirituality, which obviously is the purpose for which you have come, to bring out you are given with a blindfold of materialism, and you have to remove that blindfold and know that you are the spiritual master. Honestly, you are also a spiritual master. But please make that effort. And modern books are also available, modern gurus are also available. In fact, more people are interested in masters who have gone by, but they probably find it more difficult to face gurus who are presently in their bodies. I hope all of you success in the search. Thank you.